Thinking about applying for the Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card? And here's a quick and easy guide to help you through. Well, first, check your eligibility. You need to be at least 18, a Canadian resident, and have a good credit history. You also have your income and address history ready before you start. Well, next, visit the official Tangerine website and navigate to the Money Bank credit card page. Take a moment to review the perks like 2% cash back in two chosen categories, 1% on everything else, no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees. When you're ready, click apply now. Fill in your personal details, name, address, date of birth, along with your employment status and annual income. Tangerine will run a soft credit check for us, so your score won't be affected. If that soft check is successful, you'll move on to the full application and not forget an instant decision. If approved, your new card typically arrives in the mail within about 7 to 10 business days. Once it arrives, activate it through the Tangerine app or online portal. Then you're good to go. Start spending in your top two categories to earn that 2% cash back, plus 1% everywhere else. And that's it. It's simple, fast, and rewarding. If this guide helped you out, well, please like, subscribe for more money smart tips, and drop a comment. Tell me which card you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. Until then, I'll catch you